Hello, in front of me I've got Potensic ATOM 2. In this video I'll show you how to enable one-hand takeoff. To activate one-hand takeoff, let's go to Device Settings and Safety. Scroll down and find one-hand takeoff. Switch it to enable or disable this function. Let me show you how it works. Once it's enabled, you can simply take off with your drone by pressing and holding C1 button and then pulling left stick down. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.